Hey fool, y'all ready? You just give it to him, Shug. We finna go fishing at the yacht. Hello. I'm finna beat my son, JR and Shug. Hey look, you guys go press that like button till you can't press it no more. We're at the Yacht Beach Club, finna go fishing. Finna go beat these bums. Check us out, it's about to go down at Epcot fishing. You guys ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Antonio?
Yeah.
Marshawn, you ready? Yeah. Yeah, right. Finna go kill these jokers fishing, man. Beautiful day out, right? The boardwalk, stay here before. Nice hotel. We are about to go get on the boat.
I'm gonna put my sandals.
We are on the boardwalk. As you guys can see, that's our boat where we're gonna be fishing on right there. That's what we're gonna be fishing on right there on one of those boats there.
Yeah, that's opening up like 20 feet.
Man, come on, let's go fishing. $100, I win. You guys do 100 push-ups. If you guys win, you get $100.
Each.
No, not each, the split. You bums.
So we split it 50-50.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, there goes Shug.
No, but Sean, and then push-ups we...
FYI, if your kids are 13 and under, they gotta wear a life jacket. As you can see, they gotta wear a life jacket.
Man.
FYI.
I wish I was a teenager.
So you guys that like to go fishing, if you guys want to try that Disney, this is what you got to do right here. Bayside Marina. It's called 1-407-956 fish. And as you guys can see, the prices are $45 if you just want to rent the tracker boats for 30 minutes, $90 for 60 minutes, 10 guests maximum. The guided bass excursion, that's what we're doing. We're doing a 2-hour, and they have for $235 for 4 hours. It is 5 guests for $455, and the firework cruise premium. I didn't know they had that. It includes for $399. That's not bad. Includes drinks. I think we should do that, Shug. What do you think?
I think it's great.
Hey, Shug, can you look over here, sir? Not there? Here. Yes. Thank you. And what's your name, Captain?
I'm Sean.
Sean.
Nice to meet you guys.
Hey, you guys want to come fishing? Sean said he got you. Now, gonna put you on fish. Sugar Bag, you ready? Man, it's beautiful out. It is a lovely day. This is what dreams are made of.
I want to catch a fried catfish.
Right. Man, isn't the boardwalk amazing and pretty, man? Check out the boardwalk. I love it. Our boats we're going fishing on. We're going on that one with the blue canopy. As you can see, the boardwalks behind us.
Yo.
Get on the boat, man. Just shut up. Get on the boat.
I'm just going to stay here.
Hey, we on the boat, baby. It's about to go down. Hey, y'all ain't gonna catch no fish. Cause you know why? I'm the Black Roller Martin, fools.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's where we were at.
yeah, they're in the back pool.
Yeah, they're cool. I told you that. We are on the water. You know, I never been to that. I need to come over here and check that out, man. We've never been on that boardwalk. I heard it's pretty dope.
A lot of different stuff on there. And we're gonna start over by Hollywood Studios first, start over there, and kind of work our way back.
Oh, we're going to Hollywood Studios to go fishing. Oh yeah. Got the Swan Dolphin over there. I'm gonna definitely come and check that out.
Well, it used to be. I know since COVID they kind of closed it down a little bit.
Got the Swan and Dolphin to my corner over here. Man, the first time we're gonna go fishing at Hollywood Studios. Swan and Dolphin for you guys. Hey, you know what? I went to prom at the Swan and Dolphin when I was 18. Damn, that's been 22 years ago. Yeah. Yep. Swan and Dolphin. Let it sit. So I'm gonna take it. When you feel them hit, you reel them in.
Can I see swing that next to straight?
You gotta, yep, like that. That's right. The first pole, you know how to throw it up? I'm gonna have to help him.
I forgot it.
Actually, he fell off.
Yeah, he fell off. That is what we fishing with, the shiners. Yeah, shiners.
I forgot to do it.
Hold up. Antonio got one?
Yeah, you can see the edge.
Oh, I got off.
Oh man, he ain't got nothing, man. But some grass. All right, go ahead and throw him back. Bye-bye, fishy. Feel good to reel him in? All right. Reel it. Reel him in. Get him in. Get him in.
It's like an 8 pound.
Is that 8-pounder? Not quite, buddy. Oh man. Hey, that's a great job, Shoot. Got that grass bass. Hey, Shoot, got bud and everything on there. Look like got a worm.
Yeah, man, I go for it all.
Yeah, I got a big one.
All right.
Yeah, I ain't gonna touch that.
A 2 or 3 pounder. Man, take a picture with the fish, man.
No, I'm okay. I ain't pitching one.
It's heavy. Yeah, it's not that heavy, bro. Yeah, just turn around, man. That's what you just caught?
Yes.
Let me see the fish. Turn it to me so I can see it. Woo. That boy bad.
Alright.
Turn around. Look at the camera. Yeah, good job, man. Go ahead and release it. Really, Jay? You just throw him in the water like that?
Yeah, that's
So rude, bro.
Come on.
Yeah. Fish should throw you in the water like that, probably. Tonio got another one.
It's a whole one. Like, this is a hard one. Man, try to run there. I'm not grass.
Oh, he got off.
Man,
He got off.
I'm not grass.
Release him. Oh, really? Belly flop, huh? These kids. Yeah, just drop. Come on, Bright. Get him in. Keep it up, baby. Keep it up. Keep it up. Get him in. Get him in, Brighton. Get him in, Brighton. Let's go. Get him in, Bright. Hey, don't let him win, Bright. Don't let him win.
Wait, use your own muscle.
Don't let him win, Bright.
Keep on doing it. Yeah,
Good job, Bright. Get it up, Marcia. Pick him up. Up. Lift the reel up, kid.
Hang on 1 second. Don't reel. Wait. You have a fin. These things came off.
Well, Marcia, that's the story of your life, buddy. Came off. Real, man?
Oh my God.
Oh, my Lord. Really, Antonio?
What?
Go, man. Reel him. Get him in.
Yeah.
Oh, nice one.
God. Oh my God. That's a big one. That's gotta be a big one. Oh, he's so strong. Come on. He's so.
Got it.
Oh my God.
Home right.
I'm going to have to take you fishing with me more often, son. Now that you like fishing, your mama be trying to keep you from going fishing. I'm going to have to keep you going now. Get him up. Get him up so the man can net him.
Not funny. I know. I know. Yeah.
And he is netted.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
My
Woo.
arm hurts.
That's a fatty there.
My arm hurts. I can't even.
If you catch him, you got to release him. Grab
If you
him.
put under his tongue, it's softer. Here's like his sandpaper. Here's soft. So under his tongue. Yep. Just pinch.
Yeah, hold him up. Boy. Yes, sir. Go ahead, throw him out.
Alright.
Good job, kid.
Oh my God! It almost bite me.
He didn't bite you, man.
He almost bite me.
Hold the reel up. Get him in.
Don't get me in.
Go up some. Reel him up.
Beat him.
Hang on 1 second. It's caught on the dock. Hang on.
Hold up, Marcia.
He's right there, but he's caught on the dock.
Seaweed.
Yes, sir. Y'all see our captain, man. He gonna get him out of there.
Hold it right there for a second.
Hold up, Marcia. Oh, Marcia.
All right, buddy.
Marcia got him one. Yeah.
Come on, dang.
Good job, Marcia.
Almost shot.
Let me get a picture, buddy. Turn him around. Turn the fish around so I can see him. Yeah. All right. Go ahead. Throw him back. Release him.
Don't get bit.
So that's how y'all gonna release the fish?
Jesus.
That's how the fish should throw y'all. Hey, for now, just drop the fish, man.
Yeah, you can't throw.
Having fun so far? You having fun? Good.
I like pushing.
Yeah, I'm
You
about
look like the McDonald's arch. You look like the McDonald's arch.
Hey, trying no fishing.
I almost caught one.
Why not?
My fish was
under the
tired.
bridge, baby. The birthday boy got one again.
Wait, no. Reel it in.
Get him in, birthday boy. You gonna mess up everybody's line.
No. He not even caught.
Got one, Brady? Get him up, Brady. Get him. Get him. Reel him. Reel him. Get him. Control him. Control him. Yeah. Flip him in here. Get him in here. Come on.
Yep, I'm waiting for Blake.
Hold on. He got somebody on the line. Hold up, boys. Good job, Bryson.
Oh, now we messed up. Now we messed up this whole thing.
Hold up, Bryson. You gotta hold it up, buddy. You gotta hold up. Hold up, buddy. Okay.
Get him off there.
Oh,
Grab his tongue.
wait, can I wait?
Further back. Trust me, you want just pitch.
Sorry, guys.
There you go, Bryson. Let me get a picture, buddy.
I forgot to reach it together.
Yeah, you got. I want to get a picture of y'all together with it.
Really?
Yeah. Let me get your fill the picture, Bryson. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
Run away.
Probably got another one.
Oh,
Oh, he got a big one too.
I was supposed to give him another one, but he just ran real fast.
Good job, kid.
Wait, fast for fish that just
Get him in.
run away from me.
Get him in.
That's for fish.
Get him in. Yeah. Oh yeah. Get him in, Big B. Get a bird over here.
What a grass on it. What bug gonna eat it? Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's got too much grass on it.
Oh, I got one.
That's a big one too.
Birthday boy got another one.
Is that like, that's close to mine. That's a big one. That looks like mine.
All right.
Oh, what if that was mine?
All right, birthday boy.
Oh, that's too big for you.
Yeah, he big.
Yeah, I think I might be mine. That's way too big for me. But the fish is still on it. Yeah, he haven't ate for bait.
Look, he got stuck in the belly. You know the routine. Here, we got a picture with you.
Come.
Turn him around. Hold him the right race.
See?
All right, release him. Go ahead.
Perfect.
Bye-bye, fishy. Good job, man. You guys rock.
My finger.
Oh, you hurt your finger? Oh, you'll be all right. That's a little bruise. You'll be all right. Hey, y'all see Sugar Bear down there? Sugar Bear, you got some yet?
What? Oh. Oh.
Boat coming through. Fish finna hit real soon, watch.
Oh my God.
I'd have let Suge catch a fish. Man. I know I gotta go catch a little fish now.
You haven't caught
I gotta catch a fish now. Release some Sugar Bear. Sugar Bear to caught a fish, y'all. I'll be dang.
first time.
Thank you.
First time.
It's heavy.
Got him? Put him up. All right. Yeah, kid. All right, let's release him. Remember, gotta release him easy.
Drop him over the side.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, good job, man.
What I do is
Oh, but you got a little nugget over there, man.
Got him.
So you got a nugget, huh?
Shot him, got him.
Yeah.
2 down.
Okay, a little 2-piece. Okay.
Got your phone. Right.
your hook's all the way
Get
out.
him in, Brighton.
The big fish.
Counts.
Got one, buddy?
No, it's just like check. Oh wait. God,
You ain't
just
got nothing, man.
I did.
You ain't got nothing.
He
Good
just-
job, buddy.
he just-
Release him up.
He just came in. He just
can't hurt
came.
you.
He ain't gonna hurt you, man.
There's no teeth.
Mouth is
The only thing I can get you are the spines on the back.
Yeah, go on, release him.
That's the only thing I can get you.
Yeah, man.
I almost got for fish, but just went away. Oh my God, you're sick.
And Brylan over here catching them. Catch him, Brylan. Brylan finna beat Antonio on his birthday.
Look at this guy. He's getting it. He's getting it. First fish for him.
Yeah.
Took you for like an hour to get one.
It's all good, buddy. But I got
And
it,
he
though.
got it.
Let me show you how you hold them, JR.
I know what you try to hold like.
That's how you hold them, kid.
Alright, now.
That's how you hold them. See how you hold them? That's how you hold them. Don't be hating, JR. Real fish look like Shaky Bell. The little dinks you been catching?
Man, you a hater.
Uh-oh, brother just took over, baby. Number 7.
No, I've got
Bye-bye, buddy.
beef nose right now.
Hey, man. Good job, man. Go ahead, drop it in the water. Yes, sir. I love the competition, baby. Look at JR.
Come on. Come on. Been too much.
Get him in, JR. That'll be number 7. You're bright to tie it up.
Ow! Oh, he made my seaweed. Oh, now, this is all my seaweed.
Oh, y'all tied up.
Finally. Take that. Take that.
Drop him nice.
This mouth is so small.
Yep, can't hurt you though.
Drop him in the water. Right here.
Got it.
Alright.
And this bomb back here got a fish. Probably got a little dink.
Oh, it's a big one here, boy.
That ain't no big one.
Big and juicy. Big and juicy.
Oh, dink.
Big and juicy.
The dink
Oh,
killer.
look at it. It's fighting too, boy.
Your name is the dink killer.
Look at that, boy.
All right, Sugar Bell. I can take you fishing with me now, Sugar. Sugar Bell. He's like, you release it. He's like, the rule is you gotta release some sugar.
Please.
So the cap just gave me some advice. But I see those people on that bike, they finna go up that hill. They finna be working out, working out, working out, working out, working out. Yeah. Oh, 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 slow motion. Oh, they stop.
You usually have to get out and push.
They're like, hold up.
Ground push.
Push! Push! Push it! Push, push, push!
It's so funny.
I got one right now, buddy. Look at him. He's a big one, too. That's number 2, buddy. Yeah.
All right.
That is a crazy one.
Yeah, I got another one.
Huh?
Oh, the pelican, get the,
You gotta get
Oh,
it.
just
Yeah.
yeah. Back. Alright.
the pelican had my bait.
I don't want him getting nice.
Get him in, buddy.
No. 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 No.
Right.
All right, Marshall.
Ah. That's a big fish.
That's a big one.
Good job, Marshall.
Oh, that was strong.
Push him tight, okay?
I'm torn.
Get a picture of your dad.
Good job, buddy.
Go ahead, drop him. The hell? All right, y'all. We just got through fishing at the Yacht and Beach Club. How did you guys like it?
It was fun.
It was fun.
How many you caught, Marshall?
6.
How many you caught, JR?
9,
How many you caught, B?
10,
How many you caught, Sugar Bear?
4.
and you caught 1.
And I caught 2.
Oh, 2, my bad.
Hey, man, we had a great time. You guys to come back?
Yes.
Would you recommend people to come fishing at Disney?
Definitely.
Definitely?
Yes.
There it is. It's Disney, baby. Fishing excursions. We out, baby. Like, subscribe to the channel. Woo!